Available in standard or reverse blades, black or white, the TR120 is the new replacement for the TF120 model. It is a little thicker, measuring in at 28 millimeters thick. The standard blade performs at a higher CFM, coming in at 77.4 at 2000 RPMs and 3.3 H2O static pressure, while also keeping the noise levels down at 29 decibels. The reverse blade model performs at 76.3 CFM at 2.75 H2O static pressure. Look how there's two different RGB patterns.